Imagine a shadow so vast it swallows entire fleets whole without leaving a single splinter behind. Beneath the frozen abyss of the North Atlantic, a primordial titan is stirring, and its hunger is older than humanity itself. Forget everything you think you know about giant squids. We're diving into the realm of a god-tier apex predator that has rewritten maritime history. Today, we peel back the icy layers of the ocean to confront the absolute monarch of the deep, the legend that redefined terror. Stay frosty, because once you see what's lurking in the dark, you'll never look at the horizon the same way again. Welcome to Preyo Tidings, where we unearth the world's most chilling mysteries with surgical precision. I'm your guide through the abyss, and today we are hunting the most formidable entity in nautical folklore, the Kraken. The birth of a nightmare. The ocean has always been a graveyard of secrets, but none are as colossal or as haunting as the legend of the Kraken. For centuries, Norse sailors whispered stories of a beast so massive it was often mistaken for a chain of islands or a submerged mountain range. This wasn't just a fish or a whale, it was a biological impossibility, a gargantuan cephalopod that defied the laws of nature. Ancient sagas describe the water turning thick and murky, a warning sign that the beast was rising from the tectonic depths. When the Kraken surfaced, it didn't just swim, it dominated the entire ecosystem, creating massive whirlpools as it submerged. The sheer scale of the creature was said to be over a mile in circumference, making any human vessel look like a mere toothpick. Sailors feared the Havmanden and other sea spirits, but the Kraken was the ultimate judge, jury, and executioner of the high seas. Even the bravest Vikings, men who feared no mortal foe, would tremble when the sea began to boil with unnatural energy. This legend wasn't just born from imagination, it was forged in the absolute darkness of the Scandinavian fjords. Every splash of a wave and every groan of a wooden hull felt like a precursor to an encounter with the abyss. The Kraken represents our primal fear of what lies beneath, a force of nature that cannot be tamed or reasoned with. It is the personification of the crushing pressure and the infinite blackness of the underwater world. To understand the Kraken is to understand the fragility of human life when faced with the raw power of our planet. The power of the Kraken wasn't just in its size, but in its calculated lethality and its terrifying anatomical weapons. Imagine tentacles lined with razor-sharp suckers, each capable of crushing the hull of a galleon as if it were made of parchment. These weren't just limbs, they were living hydraulic presses that could drag thousands of tons into the lightless depths in seconds. The creature possessed an intelligence that seemed almost supernatural, often waiting for the perfect moment to strike when a ship was most vulnerable. Its eyes were said to be as large as dinner plates, glowing with a bioluminescent fire that could pierce through the darkest silt. It didn't just kill, it erased its victims, leaving no survivors to tell the tale, only echoes of screams lost to the wind. The creature's strength was so immense that it could manipulate the very currents of the ocean, creating artificial storms to disorient its prey. In the hierarchy of mythical monsters, the Kraken sits atop the throne as the undisputed apex predator of the saltwater realm. Its beak, a massive obsidian tool of destruction, could snap through iron-reinforced masts with a single bite. This wasn't just a struggle for survival. It was a display of absolute dominance over the maritime world. Every movement of the Kraken sent shockwaves through the water, alerting every living soul that the king had arrived. If this deep-sea dive is hitting your frequency, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Preyo Tidings for more high-octane mysteries. We're dropping deep lore content like this every week, and you don't want to be left stranded in the dark. Comment below, do you believe the Kraken is still out there, or is it just a tall tale from the past? Now, let's get back to the abyss.
History is littered with accounts of desperate battles between man and this leviathan. In the 12th century, King Sverre of Norway reportedly documented sightings that left his most seasoned warriors paralyzed with dread. There are accounts of epic underwater wars between the Kraken and the great sperm whales, the only other creatures capable of even scratching the beast. These battles would turn the ocean red for miles as the two titans tore into each other in a struggle for oceanic supremacy. While the legends are draped in fantasy, science has tried to bridge the gap. The discovery of the Architeuthis ducks, or the giant squid, gave us a glimpse into what might have inspired these tales. But while the giant squid is massive, reaching up to 43 feet, the Kraken of legend dwarfs it by a staggering margin. Could there be an even larger species, a megacephalopod that lives in the Hadal zone, far beyond the reach of our current submersibles? Evolution in the deep sea often leads to giantism, where lack of predators and cold temperatures allow creatures to grow to impossible sizes. The Kraken might be a biological relic, a survivor from a prehistoric era that found refuge in the untouchable trenches of the Atlantic. Every time a new deep-sea sonar image reveals a massive, unexplained shape, the world holds its breath, wondering if the legend is waking up. The final chapter of the Kraken story is never truly written, because the ocean is an ever-changing canvas of horror and wonder. It represents the unknowable other, a force that humanity cannot quantify, categorize, or control. Even today, in our era of satellite GPS and nuclear submarines, the ocean remains a place where we are not the masters. The Kraken embodies the idea that there are still monsters in this world that don't care about our technology. It reminds us that we are guests on this blue marble, and the true landlords are much larger and much hungrier. Preyo Tidings will always be here to guide you through those shadows, bringing the light of knowledge to the darkest corners of the earth. The legend of the Kraken is the heartbeat of the ocean, rhythmic, powerful, and utterly terrifying. So the next time you find yourself on a boat, looking down into the deep blue, remember, something might be looking back. That's the chilling reality of the Kraken, a legend that continues to haunt the waves and our imagination. Thanks for riding the tide with Preyo Tidings today. Your support is what keeps us diving deeper into the unknown. Don't forget to check out our other videos on legendary titans and unexplained phenomena. Keep your eyes on the horizon and your ears open. Until next time, stay curious, stay vigilant, and remember, the abyss is closer than you think.